In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify music to a Canva presentation in 2025. Whether you're giving a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, embedding music can give it that extra touch of flair. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To start, head over to Canva. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, open the presentation you're working on or create a new one if you haven't started yet. With your Canva workspace open, click on the background image you want to use. This will help you set the stage for your music link. Next, you'll need to add a bit of text for a call to action. Look over at the toolbar on the side and click Add a Text Box. In this box, you might want to type, "Click the link below to play music on Spotify." This is optional, but it can guide your audience through what to do next once they see the presentation. After you've added your text box, we're going to add a visual cue to the presentation. Head over to the Elements tab on the left side of your Canva interface. Here, type arrow down in the search bar. This image is optional, but a down arrow can effectively point your audience toward the Spotify link when they view your presentation. Now let's shift gears and pop over to Spotify. You'll need to either use the app or the Spotify web player. Once you're in Spotify, find the song or album you want to incorporate into your presentation. This could be any music you think complements your slides well. Click on the three dots next to the song or album, select Share, and then Copy Link to Song. This crucial step gives you the URL that will link directly to the specific music track or album. Once you have that URL copied, it's time to head back to Canva. Look again at your text options on the left and click Add a Text Box one more time. Once the text box is added, click on it where it says Your Paragraph Text. In this space, you'll paste the Spotify link you copied earlier. This part is vital because this link is what your audience will click to listen to the music you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Spotify music link to your Canva presentation. Now, whenever someone views your slides, they can click on that link and enjoy the music you've chosen along with your incredible work. Hope you found this guide helpful and that your presentation turns out great. Be sure to check back for more useful tips and tricks in the future.